What's good, guys? Derrick here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so in today's video we got the Fortnite Rex skin. I'm making a mascot logo out of it. This is something I really enjoy doing. It's like taking pre-existing concepts and just making like a mascot logo or just like a logo design out of it. So that's what you guys are watching right now. Again, as always, I'm using Sketchbook Pro, the program. And yeah, so for this video, again, I started off with Sketchbook Pro and then I create the vector design inside of Adobe Illustrator. But yeah, so I kind of wanted to do, I guess, like a quick breakdown. So with all of my mascot logos, guys, the main three are like the basic things to focus on are, asking yourself what are the main elements of that concept. So for this one, if I was to bring up this Fortnite skin up on the screen right now, as you can see, we can simply break down the main concept into, like a dinosaur, the guy's face, and then the rest of his outfit if you want to include that. So for this mascot logo, I'm mainly going to be focusing on the T-Rex face, like the just like the head or whatever, and then the guy's face inside of the mask. At first I really didn't even want to include the guy's face inside of the mask. I kind of wanted to just focus on the T-Rex overall, just because logo designs, they need to be simple, so they can work on multiple scales. The main thing of interest is usually like on a small scale, like with social media. So when you reduce things in size, it's harder to see and understand small details. The more details you use, the more blurry it's going to be, and the less your eyes are going to want to look at it when it's seen small. Our eyes tend to focus on the most contrasted areas, or the things that are the easiest, the most bold to kind of understand. If something is blurred out, our eyes are going to basically ignore it. And when you have a lot of details and you reduce that image or that piece of art, it's harder for our eyes to focus on that thing. We're going to focus on the easiest thing that's for our eyes to see. So that's my kind of mindset for making a logo and mascot logos especially. But anyways, I decided to just throw the face in there just cause. But yeah, guys, like I said, man, a lot of the times I get questions on like where to start. They don't know where to start. The good thing is you start anywhere. It's not a science. It's not like, some mathematical algebraic equation. You can start wherever you want. Like for me, if you took a look back when I first started to sketch, I started on like the horns and things like that. And that was just like a cool place. I really like how the horns looked. So I just decided to start there. So yeah, guys, for future reference, just start wherever you want to start and, just do it. You don't have to, there's nothing to hide, or you don't have to be afraid of anything. It's just a logo. Unless you're like working, unless it's like $1 million project, then I could understand if you're worried or something. But if you're just doing it to get better, it's nothing to really judge yourself about or worry about if it doesn't turn out great. Just start and just hope for the best. And if it doesn't turn out that great, continue until it works out great, or stop and then make the next one you do better. So it's super simple concept, guys, or make sure to keep it as simple as possible. And just to continue to elaborate on that, I also do the same thing with colors. Right now I'm breaking down like the shading. As you'll see, there's a light gray. I'm working on a dark gray right now for the shadows. And then I'm also using white for highlights on the left side because I wanted the light source to be to the left. And then I basically leave his face white and gray, which I kind of switched that up. But I'm doing this in grayscale just so I can get the values down, because colors don't properly recognize value that easily. So using the grayscale is a great place to start. But yeah, guys, keeping it simple, like I said, if you count that up, including white and black, that's a total of 5. So dark gray, light gray, white, and black, well, actually 4. But I try to keep the amount of colors I use down, just because, again, it's a logo. It needs to be simple. That's colors too. So yeah, guys, again, it's just a recommendation if you guys actually want to do that. So yeah, guys, at the end of this video, I got another little video for you guys, and that's going to be the trailer for my logo course. So officially last Friday, the course got released for pre-orders, and that includes the first 2 sections, multiple videos in the sections. But yeah, if you guys want to sign up and pre-order the course, be sure to click the first link in my description, and it's going to be officially released on May the 2nd. So that's the 2nd of next month. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any further questions on the logo, the video, the logo course, feel free to shoot me a direct message on Instagram at DaseDesigns. That's by far where I'm the most active in my stories, and especially responding to you guys. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. What's up, guys? Welcome to our eSports logo course brought to you by DaseDesigns.com and Logo Inspirations. My name is Derek and I'm going to be your instructor. Through hours of content, we're going to be teaching you guys how to create professional eSports mascot logos and identity designs alike. We're going to be starting with the basic keys of sketching and also show you guys how to gather information from your clients to craft a set of project goals. Then we're going to be moving on to the full mascot logo design process, and we're not just stopping there. We're also going to be going over identity designs, and this includes jersey designs, social media concepts, and also apparel designs. And finally, we're going to gather everything together to create a professional presentation project, not only to attract clients, but also to inspire and build an audience. If you've been wanting to learn how to create professional esports mascot logos, then this course is the course for you. Again, my name is Derek, and I'll see you all on the inside.